Alright, this is my last trade of the night. As you can see, price is in a steady uptrend through your higher highs and your higher lows. So with price being in a steady uptrend through your higher highs and your higher lows, I'm expecting price to continue upward. So as we can see, price broke through this high and made a higher high. Now that price has pulled back to this level, which is now new support, I'm looking to get a reaction to that level through perhaps a long wick candlestick. Then once we get that long wick candlestick like the one we getting now to form at this level, I'm gonna wait for perhaps a bullish engulfing or momentum candle. Then I'm gonna enter the trade long. Alright. See, what an amateur trader would do once he saw price pulling back to this level is immediately enter it. I'm not an amateur trader. I'm a master trader. So I'm gonna wait for the market to tell me what it wants to do. Then I'm going to react to it. Now you see, instead of reacting to this level, price broke right on through it. And as you can see, this is a low right here. So I'm gonna draw in a trend line connecting these lows, because we may end up having price trend sideways for a while or consolidate for a while before it goes in either a upward direction or a downward direction. So with price being at this level, let me move this right here. With price being at this level or coming back down to this level, I, as a master trader, am going to change time frames. I'm on the 1 minute time frame. That M1 stands for M1. I'm gonna drop down to the S30, 30-second time frame to find out whether this is a true reversal pattern or not. Because oftentimes when you see price break through support or resistance on the time frame that you trade on, like this right here, you think that it's a good time for you to enter the trade. But what you don't know is that it could be a possible breakout. A possible false breakout. So what you want to do is go to a lower time frame. And look for a possible reversal pattern to change. And once price breaks in the direction of the trend, it's an actual breakout for real. But if price breaks in the opposite direction, it's a false breakout. So what you have forming here on the 30-second time frame is, I can't call it yet, but price is still in a downtrend through your lower highs and your lower lows. Now, if price makes an equal high, that's to show you that that's a false breakout. Because if it was an actual breakout, price would close below this low and continue downward. So I'm just waiting to see what happens. This is a low. This is a lower high. This right here is an equal low. I'm going to see if price comes back up here and makes an equal high. And if it does, that lets you know that this is a false, possibly a false breakout. And as you can see, price is making an equal high. So this is not an actual breakout, because price broke through this support level here on the 1 minute time frame. This is a false breakout, because when you look at the 30-second time frame, you see a low, you see a high, you see an equal low, you see an equal high. Now if price breaks through this high right here, it's going to go back up to, let me see, possibly this level here right here, the 1.082 level. I want y'all to see what I'm talking about, man. In the meantime, let me stand my screen upright so y'all can see this thing much better. Don't pay attention to that amount up there. Pay attention to the trades that I'm taking, so you can learn how to trade too. Because I could care less about the amount that's in the account. All I care about is the trade. Now you see, you got a low, you got a high, you got an equal low, you got an equal high, possibly another equal low, which is a sign that the buying and the selling pressure in the presence in the market is equal. So you don't know which direction to trade in. Now with price breaking below this level right here, I'ma sell, because it is an actual breakout. I'll show you once I go back up to the higher time frame. You had price to consolidate, meaning it moved sideways. Then it broke below support. This is an actual breakout. Let's go back to the 1 minute time frame and you'll see. You see? That's how you trade a breakout. You don't just jump into a trade because price breaks through support or resistance on the time frame that you on. Once price breaks through support or resistance of the time frame that you are on, you drop down to a lower time frame to find out whether it is an actual breakout or not, like I did when I went from the 1 minute time frame to the 30-second time frame. And as you can see, that trade closed in profit.
She was surprised to see the door wide open. She had thought that the kid...
I don't just enjoy trading, I love trading.
But her happiness...
So much so that I demo trade when the live market not open. I do this shit for a living.